Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Moody, and I am back with another video today. If you are new here, then go ahead and click subscribe for your girl. If you're not new, then thank you for returning. You should already be subscribed, you know what I'm saying? So today I did a back to school look for you guys. I used all drugstore products. Everything is super affordable. I did this look for everybody who think that, you know, they can't slay in their frames, or they don't know how they should wear their makeup when they're wearing glasses. You know what I'm saying? I'm here to show y'all you can still slay, and to give you guys some helpful tips and tricks. Hopefully they're helpful, and if so, you know, let me know down below. Shout out to Firmoo. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. They hit me up with these cool frames, and also the other frames. Well, no, rewind. They didn't hook me up with the other frames in the video. I actually purchased those other ones because I love this website so much. No pair of glasses is over $40, and that's including the prescriptions. So for all my blind sisters out there, I got y'all covered, okay? Coupon code should be in the description box. Also stay tuned to the end of the video to see what I got brewing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, like and comment and share and all that wonderful stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, so I think I'm going to talk through this video. Y'all seem to like my talk through videos. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to try not to have this mirror all the way up to my face, but I can't see. I cannot see. I can't see. Obviously, as you can see, I already have my eyebrows done per usual, and I'm gonna go on with my Angel Veil primer by NYX. Y'all know I love this primer. This one's really good for oily skin. It helps smooth and just prime the face. It just really helps the makeup go on a lot smoother and stay on. It is gonna kind of give you a white cast, but that'll go away once you put your foundation on. So a trick that I like to do when I'm wearing my glasses is actually set after I put my primer on. Y'all, I'm squinting like a mug. So I'm just gonna go into my Maybelline powder in medium deep, and I'm gonna press it on to especially my T-zone, especially where my glasses lay, just to help prevent creasing and oiliness. And I know I look crazy. I look so crazy, I know. I just hope y'all can overlook this. It just looks really elevated on camera, and it's not pretty. I'm gonna zoom in so maybe it's not so like disturbing to look at. Okay, it doesn't zoom in that much though. Wonderful. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and use it to prime my eyelids. Blend it out with the same powder side that I used the concealer. I meant use the powder. I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35O palette, and I'm gonna take this shade here, and I'm really just gonna smoke this on my upper and lower lash lid on my face, okay? With our eye look for glasses, what I want to focus on is the bottom lid, the bottom lash line, because typically my glasses do kind of slide down, so I just kind of want to make this look more bottom heavy. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade and just pop this on my lid, mostly towards the inner tear duct, the front, to just kind of open up my eye. I'm going to use all matte colors today on the lids, on the eyes, just a personal preference. Now I just took a little bit of this lightest shade and put that in the inner tear duct, like where I'd usually put, you know, my highlight shimmer. Like I said, I want to be all matte, so that's what we're going to do. Steady blending. I'm going to apply my false lashes. This is obviously optional, but, you know, makeup always looks better with eyelashes, so we're going to add them. These are the Iikon lashes in Trust Issues, I believe. I've worn these a few times, and they still look really, really good. Coupon code in the description box. Okay, so now that we have our eyes done, well, partially done, we're gonna move on to our face. Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation by NYX. I've been loving this and I've been wearing this. This is gonna be a full coverage foundation. If you don't wanna do full coverage, then you might not wanna do this, but we are slaying in our frames. So we wanna be beats, okay? I'm just gonna press this into my skin. See how once we put our foundation on, the powder is going away and we don't look as crazy. And we still don't look washed out. Well, we don't look crazy at all. But you know what I mean. Whew. I'm not worrying about getting it right under my eyes just because I know I'm going to hit that spot with concealer. And I don't want it to be too thick because our glasses are going to lay there. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX HD Concealer in the color Nutmeg and put it under my eye. Really not the biggest fan of this color, but I do like this concealer. So I'm going to use it. And then under my eyes, I'm going to go over it with my Fawn because it has that gold color that I like my concealer to have. Like, I feel like the Nutmeg is missing. It's like that gold yellowish undertone. And we're just going to let that sit, let the concealer kind of do its thing. And we're going to take our NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour palette. And we're going to take the darker shade. And we're going to use that color to contour with. So if you don't want to get, you know, separate concealers, you can obviously also still use this palette for your concealer. I just, you know, like my concealers that I like. Take my Real Techniques brush and just blend all that out while still letting my concealer kind of sit and do its thing. Now we're also going to do powder contour. So if you want to skip this step, which is the cream, whatever, contour, then you can and just stick to the powder. I'm dragging it down the bridge of my nose because when you wear glasses, or when I wear my glasses, they tend to make my nose look a little bit bigger. So I am gonna make sure I contour. So we're gonna go ahead and blend all this out. Now I'm gonna set where I concealed with some of my Maybelline powder. I'm gonna go in with my bronzer and I'm just gonna bronze my face up. Put this in all the spots that I contoured with and then some, you know how that goes. When you find a good bronzer as a brown girl. This one is probably my favorite drugstore bronzer that I found, actually. The only actual bronzer, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna also take this down the bridge of my nose. Before I move on, what I'm going to do now is kind of smoke out my lower lash line a little bit more. It's not smoky enough for me. I know I really want to bring this down. So a good trick would be adding a nude liner to your bottom lash line to kind of open your eye up some more. But I can't find my nude one, so I'm going to just use my white one by NYX. So the white doesn't look bad. The nude just looks a lot more natural. I definitely prefer the nude over the white, but hey, it is what it is. Now I'm gonna smoke just a little bit of this color because it's darker along the outer V of my eye, both the top and the bottom. I'm just gonna pop this in the crease just to kind of tie in both the top and the bottom. Add a little bit more depth. Look how it just took us up a notch. Yes. Look at the difference. Took us up a notch a little bit. Now I turn my face with my rose water. This just helps tie everything in so nicely and just melts down onto the skin and just makes the highlights pop even more. Obviously, I'm obsessed with the rose water. I can't help myself. First, highlighting with this Wet n Wild highlighter and Precious Pearls. We're gonna see what's that hitting on, what it's looking like. Another tip is to highlight your brow bone. This is something I usually don't do or I just forget to do, but when you're wearing glasses, highlighting your brow bone will definitely add some attention up there. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this e.l.f. highlight in pink diamonds. Just give me a little... Now I'm going to go in with my Suede Lip Liner by NYX. This is in the color Club Hopper. This isn't as brown as I thought it would be. It's really like, almost like maroon, really. Taking my Ruby Kisses liquid lipstick in Tippy Toe. Snow Bunny in the middle. Nice ombre lip. Nice. So for all my set my face with a powder type people, I'm going to go in with my black Opal loose setting powder in Deep. And just brush that all over pretty much. And I'm going to set it all in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, Setting Mist. You made it to the end. So what I have today for you guys is a Morphe giveaway. I'm not going to be giving y'all this palette. This one is my palette. But I do have an untouched, unopened Morphe palette that I'm going to give away to somebody via Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead, head over to my Instagram, add me. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because my camera's kind of dying. If you would like to enter for a chance to win the Morphe 35O palette, all you have to do is go to my Instagram at MOODYGEEE 3 E's, add me, like this photo, and follow the rules that are in the caption, and I will choose the winner probably a week from today. Whatever today is, whatever day I post the photo, I'll choose the winner a week from that day. I really think this Morphe palette is a really good palette for anybody who is starting off doing makeup, anybody who is looking to kind of expand their makeup collection a little bit as far as eyeshadow goes. It's a lot of neutral colors, but it also has like a few shimmers. It has really good mattes for everyday wear and just, you know, a really good practice and learning palette. Best of luck to everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.